I almost bought SerpSling AI without thinking. But after testing it for 48 hours, I found something most reviews aren't telling you. If you've tried SEO tools that overpromise expensive agency software or AI tools that don't actually rank anything, then you already know how frustrating this space is. And that's exactly why SerpSling caught my attention. In this video, I'll show you what SerpSling AI actually does, whether it can help you build an agency, and if it's worth your money. Link is in the description if you want to check it out while watching. So SerpSling AI Agency is basically an AI-powered tool designed to help you rank content off SEO services and potentially run an agency model. But here's the real question. Does it actually work? Inside the dashboard, you get keyword targeting tools, content generation, ranking, automation features, but here's what stood out. The automation system. It tries to simplify SEO work that normally takes hours. Here's how I tested it. Step 1, logged into dashboard. Step 2, selected niche keyword. Step 3, generated content. Step 4, deployed ranking strategy. Simple process, took about 10 to 15 minutes. Now here's where things get interesting. On day 1, content was generated fast, looked decent quality, but on day 2, I tried pushing it for rankings, and this is where results were mixed. Some things worked, some didn't. The creators behind SerpSling have launched multiple tools before. They understand affiliate marketing SEO space, but not every product is perfect. You'll see positive testimonials, claims of fast results, but remember, always take testimonials with a grain of salt. Here's what I liked. Beginner friendly, fast setup, potential for agency model, saves time. Now this is important. Results are not guaranteed, requires effort to scale, not a magic rank instantly tool, and honestly, this is where most people fail. It's relatively affordable compared to hiring an agency. But still, you need to ask yourself, will you actually use it? Compared to traditional SEO tools, expensive agency services, this is simpler, but less powerful. Beginners wanting entry into SEO, people testing AI tools, affiliate marketers. If you expect instant results, if you won't take action, if you want done for you income. So, is SerpSling AI worth it? It's a solid tool for beginners, but not a miracle solution. If you treat it like a tool, not magic, it can help. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. You can explore the features yourself using my link below. Make sure you do your own research before buying.